My God.
Oh, damn.
What is it? Is it killing someone? That snake is called what?
A python.
It's breeding.
No, that's the... Is that venom? What?
Giving what?
It's giving birth? I want to record. Why is it?
Why is my guy
Is it okay?
No.
It's not venom, right?
They want to put it here.
Yosh. Yosh.
Ila is for venom.
Yeah, not venom.
Sasa unaona shika. Hapa. Sio wewe baingia hapa.
Why is it bleeding?
I'm also feeling bad that it's bleeding.
Kesho usimwachie.
Aggressive, people aggressive.
Nisaidie tu kumshika.
They are very aggressive.
Samantha, it's like you're scared of snakes.
But why is it?
I don't know what's wrong.
Kilili.
Weka mkono wako kwenye mkono wangu.
Okay, let me take a photo.
Weka mkono wako kwenye mkono wangu.
Oh, come take.
You want to carry it?
Yeah.
I'm so scared. I'm taking.
Bro, why is it a video?
Yeah, just record.
I thought you touch it.
No.
Kilili.
Touch it, bro.
Touch it.
Touch it.
Take it.
Touch it, bro. Touch it.
Sambo.
Touch it. Touch it. Yeah. Just touch it.
Bro, hapa maelekezo kabisa. Yes.
Let me just stand.
He wants to take a photo of it. So, bro, don't touch the human being. Touch the snake. You know, you are Simba, bro.
Yeah?
I will get angry if I don't have photos for this.
Okay.
Nipacha mwenyewe cha.
Awe makini.
All right. There we go. Quick. Take a video.
Hawezi kufa.
Quickly.
Touch the snake, you know, touch it. Like touch it. Yeah, massage it. Yeah, like that. I'm just taking pictures. I'm not taking it.
The snake is not smiling.
Hey, please watch your.
It looks smiling.
I want to hold I'm so scared. Hey, Dennis, let's go.
Oh yeah.
It's bleeding. Why is it bleeding? Don't worry, me, I will take pictures. No problem. Really, you have more than enough pictures.
Okay.
But first wait. Okay, only.
Anybody wants a photo?
A photo of who? With a snake?
But I'm fearing.
Oh, no.
First wait.
Yeah, you can touch it. You know.
Relax.
You guys, it's peace.
Can you smell fish?
Hi, now, so we are going to get all these photos.
Yeah. So what does it feel like? It's like a fish.
They are reptiles. They are my favorite.
Are you a reptile?
You're not touching anything. Everybody else.
No, I'm taking pictures actually.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I already touched it.
So it's bleeding a bit.
Why?
I think it's breathing badly.
No,
Why is it
the
bleeding?
time it was being removed,
He was eating.
it was struggling.
Let's just go.
Nimrudishe mwenyewe. Au unabaki kuongea naye.
Yaani anapiga picha, yaani kimeo. Hata sijui. Hata yatilia haziwezi muuma.
So what does it feel like?
Ishkaga, if you hold the...
Don't waste your skills, bro.
It's a crocodile. Or an
Ah, you know, I can touch this. Not snakes.
Don't throw it inside there. You go inside to get it. This thing is pretending as if it's sleeping. Let me see if I can go inside.
Yeah, I know.
If you come back at all. Okay, this one is boring to watch. It's just laying there.
Okay, now I'm a reptile.
Ah, so are you King Cobra?
Yes.
So what does it feel like? Like you're touching this tree?
No, it's a bit soft, but not very soft. Not like me. Like fish.
Fish, eh? Ah, the scales.
You've not touched.
Ah, you know, I was busy taking pictures.
You've not taken me even a photo and telling you are busy taking pictures.
It's a video.
They're keeping there. They give...
Are you sure you?
I was saying to my husband.
Yeah. What?
Take the picture.
No, the photos are
What? I should come take the picture, or
I'm taking it.
or you are holding the snake?
I'm holding it.
This one is.
You won't.
Yes. This one is not waiting.
First, snake don't want hyperpollution. Second, snake they are hating.
I need a picture touching this one. This one I can touch.
This one is not...
Here is feel bad, and they can't feel comfortable to us. That's why you see they are just moving.
So this one's 1.5. My friend. No.
So you can even put it in your shirt.
Yeah?
Will you want to kiss it? Don't.
I promised you to kiss it.
Let me just hold this for you so that you can go and kiss it.
Oh, I promised you to kiss it.
I need a picture.
Like,
Lily.
Why is it doing like this?
Hey, Fidelis.